In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a little refresher, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step, so you can generate a professional quote with ease. Let's get started. First, you want to log into your HubSpot account. If you're not already on the dashboard, navigate there now. Once you're in, head over to your HubSpot CRM. This is where you'll find all the records you might need, including contacts, companies, and deals. For creating a quote, you'll need to go to one of these sections. So, click on CRM in the main menu and select either Contacts, Companies, or Deals, depending on where you'd like to create your quote. Next, you'll want to click on the specific record that aligns with the contact, company, or deal you're working with. Selecting the right record is important because the quote will be tied to this particular account. After you've selected the appropriate record, keep an eye on the right sidebar within this record. This is where you'll find a variety of options and action items related to your selected record. Look for the Quotes section within this sidebar, and when you spot it, you'll see a plus button labeled Plus Add. Click this to start creating a new quote. Once you've initiated the creation of a new quote, customization is the key. You'll have several opportunities to tailor this quote to fit your business needs and your client's specifications. Start by adding your products or services. This can include anything you're offering in this quote, and don't forget to include client-specific information. It's essential to make sure that all names, addresses, and any related identifiers are accurate. You'll also need to add terms and conditions. These terms outline the responsibilities of both parties and any important legal information. If needed, you can add notes. These might include any extra details that don't fit elsewhere in the quote. Lastly, don't forget to include a date of issue and a unique quote number for tracking and reference purposes. Once your quote looks good and all the information is in place, you have a few options for how to distribute it. You can download your completed quote as a PDF for easy sharing, or if you prefer a digital method, share it via a direct link. Of course, you can also send it as an email if that suits your workflow best. And there you have it. Creating a quote in HubSpot is a straightforward process, but with the right steps, you can ensure that your quotes are not only professional, but also tailored precisely to fit each client. Keep this guide handy, and you'll be generating quotes with confidence in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful. Happy quoting!